you're a bacon lover, you're going to want to watch this. Seriously, you are going to want to watch this. Well, I have to tell you, I'm pretty excited about doing chicken fried bacon in the air fryer today. And of course, there's no chicken involved. This is basically getting its name from the chicken fried steak, I believe. You are going to want to use thick bacon. I cut this in half. I'm no way am going to make all of this or I would surely die. So I have some beaten egg here and some flour that I seasoned just with salt and pepper. Now we're just going to dip our bacon into the egg. And into the flour. Now originally this would be fried in oil. So if this works, which I think it will, at least we will be saving some calories and fat and all that other good stuff. So I'm going to coat this well. Put this on my plate. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish these up real quick. Okay, a little tip. If you put a little bit of water, I have about 2 tablespoons in here. When you make bacon or anything that tends to smoke, this will help eliminate that. I believe I learned this from Cooking with Doug's Cook Essentials air frying group. Speaking of which, a shout out to them. I'm going to go ahead and place our bacon into the air fryer basket. I'm debating on if I need to spray this with oil since this bacon is going to render fat. Decisions, and I can't get these other 2 in here. That's okay. So I am going to wait to see if I need to spray this with oil or not. Okay, we are ready to pop these babies into the air fryer. Okay, 400 degrees. I'm going to start off with 10 minutes and I will check it halfway through. Okay, we are halfway in. Move you. I don't know if you can see that okay. We do have some dry flour on some of these, about half of these. So I think I am going to go ahead and spray spots where there's dried oil. And I'm just going to continue to let this go. Okay, 10 minutes in on the first time. I forgot to turn my camera on again. I flip these over. Both sides are nice and golden brown. I'm going to go 3 more minutes on 400 degrees on the other side. FYI, no smoking issues from the bacon grease, so that water on the bottom, I'm assuming is helping with that. So I flip these over and we're going to go 3 minutes on 400 degrees. Our 3 minutes is up on the other side. And these are ready. Oh my goodness, this smells so good in here. Bacony goodness. Okay, here's what I'm doing on the last 2 pieces that would not fit in here. I am going to put these in. I am not going to spray them in with oil, and I'm going to see how they do. And I will certainly let you know. Okay, I just finished up the second batch. This is one of them right there. I did not need to spray it with oil. The bacon fat that rendered out took care of that. Now this is good eating it plain, or you can dip it in country gravy. I am excited. All you bacon lovers, you need to try this at least once in your life. That is so good. If you like this video or if you love bacon, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with Dave on QVC. He does his little happy dance. I'm going to do the little Kelly dance.